If we do discover that our kids are not receiving services, or they're supposedly receiving them on a Sunday, or they're not even, or if it's that they're not getting their full minutes, what should parents do?
So absolutely put it in writing, right? Document it, send it to, at that point, I would email the principal, the administration, and someone from the district. What should happen, like in the example you gave, actually, if someone's out on maternity leave or, they quit, what have you, is the district should send out a notice. Maybe initially it would be an email noting that they're looking for someone, but then you would get a prior written notice reflecting how many minutes are owed to your child. Now, that doesn't always happen. So as soon as you come to know that your child hasn't been getting services, you would email and then request a prior written notice. So request, the service logs, because again, that's going to help you see if they don't have data to support they've been providing services, then those services are owed. So that's the main reason why service logs are really important. If they can't prove he was seen on every week this year and they don't have those service logs, then there's no proof, and therefore they need to provide those sessions. So ask for the service logs. Note that you came to find out, however you found out that your child hasn't received services. You want a prior written notice telling you what the last date of service was, as well as how many sessions and minutes are going to be owed, and what their plan is to obviously recommence services.